Welcome to the world of next general AI. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics: easy ways to earn money with AI. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, these methods are simple and accessible for everyone. Let's get started. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's a game changer. With the right tools and a little know-how, you can start earning money online today. Here are 5 easy ways to make money using AI. 4. First up, content creation. If you love writing or want to start, AI tools like Jarvis, Copy AI, and WriteSonic can help you generate blog posts, social media content, and even ebooks. With these tools, you can create high-quality content in minutes and sell it to clients looking for fresh ideas. It's that simple. Number 2. AI-driven freelance work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are brimming with opportunities. Whether it's graphic design, video editing, or AI training, you can use AI tools to improve your workflow and offer faster, better services. Clients are always on the lookout for skilled professionals, and with AI by your side, you can stand out in a crowded market. Third, let's talk about AI in investing. AI-powered trading bots can analyze markets and make smart investments for you 24/7. By using tools like eToro or Alpaca, you can automate your investments and earn money while you sleep. Of course, always do your research and understand the risks, but this can be a powerful tool in your financial planning. 4. Next, AI for market research. Companies are always seeking insights to grow their business. With AI-powered platforms like Market Views and SimilarWeb, you can gather market data and provide valuable reports. These reports help businesses make better decisions and are something you can get paid for. Plus, it doesn't require a background in traditional market research. Last but not least, AI in e-commerce. You can use AI tools like Shopify's AI-powered product recommendations to improve your online store and drive more sales. By automating tasks like customer service, inventory management, and product curation, you can focus on growing your business while AI does the heavy lifting. So, there you have it. 5 easy ways to start earning